Okay, if the top one.
Would you like a wall bit?
No thanks, I brought my own. We need to wait for Katie.
We are on our way to Home Depot.
Emmy, I'm going back to you today. Stop.
It says black.
Why is paint math so hard?
Okay, so we are doing a little behind the scenes video for you guys. We are going to be documenting our changing out of the Jerry's Live set to update it to be the Jerry's Live Workshops set. And so we just ordered a bunch of stuff for like backgrounds and we're trying to make it more than it was before. We're doing these special workshops that are longer and trying to get a little more of a warm feel. But right now, let me just turn you guys around. And it still looks pretty much like you'll remember it. We're going to be setting up some time-lapse cameras and also trying to sort of vlog this process. You might recognize that fiery ginger as she realizes that we're going to make her rip this all off the wall. Well, not alone. You're going to get Michaelia's help. So between the two of you, you've got like a full-size person.
We used some really industrial strength stuff on this.
Gorilla tape.
Gorilla tape, yeah. Because we were like, this is never coming down.
And yeah, so it started with the heat gun.
We've abandoned the heat gun.
But we've abandoned it for just brute strength. Look at this. This will go much faster this way. There's really not much to time-lapse. We can do this real time. I'm sure that marketing on the other side of this wall is really wondering what the hell we're doing. We might want to try to keep it down a little bit. So tell me about the layers we have going on. Like, what are you finding? Because we don't even know what you're peeling off.
I'm hoping for treasure.
Why are you pulling that part off? Because, like...
Just, we want to get all the loose bits.
But, like...
That are like...
Okay. And then, like... But isn't that drywall?
This is drywall.
You're underneath the drywall.
Yeah.
Like, we will eventually reach marketing.
Okay, my alarm.
What is the alarm for? Usually for mine, it's I need to take my drugs. Gym. Oh, it's gym day. It's quarter to noon.
We're too busy. We can't go to the gym.
Eric's gonna be so mad at us.
I mean, this is physical activity, and just wait till you have to jump up there to get the top one. Okay, guys. Seriously, like, marketing's irritable. And that's coming from me.
But it's the holidays.
Yeah, all the more reason to spread the joy around Jerry's. What are you doing? I work on the other side of this wall. Here, give me the boogers.
I like how...
I'm just kidding. I'm not touching that. Just drop it on the floor. Yeah.
Would you like a wall booger?
Michaela already handed me one. Thank you.
You can have this one.
Okay. We're almost done. By we, I mean them. That's it. All forms are off. And this is going to be the Jerry's Live Workshop set. Yeah, we got it all.
We did it. This has just become one piece.
All right, we've all agreed that we should wait for Katie, yet everybody is still trying to figure out if we can start priming right now.
Yeah, so that's primer. He's just touching the wall now. He's just...
That sounds really, without any visual context, what is going on that screen?
We both just gave you a visual. We're like...
It sounded like it switched to Stranger Things.
I don't like the sound on this.
So turn it off. Turn it off. Okay. So without any context, what is Emmy watching?
Brother,
What do you think she's watching? Contain yourself. We have what we need to get started?
No, we don't.
What do we have?
We need a sander, and we have a half-used sponge.
A half-used sanding sponge.
For this whole wall. I don't think it's working, Michaela.
And you know what? Like, whatever you're putting into the air is probably not good for you to breathe. Are we sure that the filter's in there?
You need help.
Are you sure that the
You're
filter's
blinking a lot of times.
Those filters might be like used. Are they new filters in that?
I don't want to know.
Those are pretty new.
Who do you think used that before you?
I don't want to know. It's already on my face.
Also,
It's really on your face.
It's like squishing my face. I think I put it on too tight.
A few moments later.
same problem.
You know what? Let her go. Let her cook. Let her cook. Let her cook.
I love her.
The bounce is actually giving us some extra. Yeah, I'm just gonna stand back.
2 hours later.
What is this gonna accomplish? I don't know. Kelly's like, I'm doing it now.
1 eternity later.
I mean, you've been standing for 4 hours now, so.
Do I sound like Darth Vader?
No,
No.
you sound like a gerbil.
I was gonna say a cat that has a respiration problem, like
You sound like a
upper
character from
respiratory
Zootopia.
infection. How are we gonna patch the whole wall?
With a quarter.
Very thin, very thin
Fun fact,
layer.
I also think this is mostly dry.
Great.
need to go buy supplies.
We need to wait for Katie.
What? Where's my sponge?
Okay, so I overheard Katie coughing. She's back. But no, but really, you can come too, Ming. But really, I overheard them talking about the set. Katie just, she's in today, so I wanted to make sure we didn't miss any conversation because we didn't want to leave you hanging from yesterday. So let's spin this bad boy around. So what do you think of the Swiss cheese we made of the wall?
I was hoping it'd be a little smoother.
Well, it'll get there.
Get there.
Did you tell her about the tape and the boogers and the...
Yeah, there were boogers everywhere. We are on our way to Home Depot. We're gonna pick up some plaster, some paint, everything we're gonna need for getting this wall started.
Sorry, this is how it goes. That giant one?
No, probably
No.
not.
You can get one of those or two of those. I think we just go with one. Oh look, I think you picked the most expensive.
There's black, and then there's black.
Emmy, I'm gonna smack you, Jay. Stop.
They all look the same.
Did you pick the most expensive paint?
I don't know.
It says black.
No.
Yeah. This says satin black. Black. Says so on the card.
No, this is black. That's a satin black. This is black.
I want a matte black.
This is matte black. It's satin.
Can't they just match this to anything?
This is the thing.
That is.
Actually, I like that one more.
Or does that cover
I don't even
that
understand what you
much
just said.
with one coat, and then you need 2 coats are required, so you have to get 2 of them.
So,
And
yeah.
get more if we need it.
So 150, 150, maybe 300. Let me just get 3.
Okay. Why is paint math so hard?